Lotus Cars Malaysia, the distributor for the Lotus brand on our shores, just launched the Lotus Eletre all-electric hyper SUV in Malaysia. Touted as the world's fastest dual-motor pure electric SUV, the Eletre offers up to a whopping 905 horsepower, fully deserving of the hyper SUV moniker. Malaysia is also the first market outside of China to get the Eletre. All three variants of the Eletre are offered in Malaysia. The standard Eletre is priced at 578,000 ringgit, while the Eletre S goes for 648,000 ringgit. As for the range-topping Eletre R, it costs a cool 798,000 ringgit. These prices are on the road without insurance, and it comes with a 5-year or 150,000 km warranty. As for the battery, it has an 8-year or 200,000 km warranty. The most exciting model is certainly the Eletre R. It's the only variant to feature a dual-speed system that outputs 905 horsepower and 985 Nm of torque, allowing it to go from 0 to 100 km per hour in only 2.95 seconds with a top speed of 265 km per hour. It also has a max range of 490 km based on the WLTP cycle. As for the Eletre S and the standard Eletre, both feature the same single-speed system that delivers 603 horsepower and 710 Nm of torque. They can do the century sprint in 4.5 seconds with a top speed of 258 km per hour. So while these two models are not as quick as the Eletre R, they do offer a higher driving range of up to 600 km, also on the WLTP cycle. All variants of the Eletre feature a 112 kWh battery and a 350 kW charger, which enables 10 to 80% charge in only 20 minutes. It can accept 22 kW AC charging as well. Marketed as a lifestyle SUV, the Eletre comes with a 5-seat layout as standard, so it has a boot capacity of 688 litre or 1,532 litre with the rear seats folded. There is also an option for a 4-seat configuration as part of the optional executive seat pack, which is shown here. Naturally, the Eletre has sophisticated advanced driver assistance systems as well. These include adaptive cruise control, driver monitoring system, rear collision warning, lane keep assist, traffic sign information, and Lotus Intelligent Dynamic Chassis Control. Despite the fact that the Lotus Eletre has only been launched in Malaysia today, it has already collected over 140 bookings. Only 200 units are set to be available here for the whole of 2023, so if you're keen to get this hyper SUV, you may want to place a booking as soon as you can. And that is our video on the Lotus Eletre. It's a very interesting hyper SUV and it offers great value for money, at least for those who can afford the price tags. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and always stay tuned for more good stuff to come here on this channel and nextchief.com.